All right, Peace Squad. Today's a very exciting day. We are about to take our first iteration of the Atlanta Locals app to production. I just want to show you guys what we've built so far. So right now we're building this in a lightweight framework called Flask for Python. And as of right now, this is not connected to a real database or anything like that, but we do have the design of our like landing page. The design as far as like finding local professionals is going to be modeled after Thumbtack. As far as finding real estate, it's going to be modeled after Zillow. We haven't gotten to that point yet. Let me show you the routes that we have built. So for right now, our landing page is also our like find the SEO company. We also have our moving company route, our cleaning company route, and then our moving slash cleaning company route. But these three are all the exact same. So this is completely responsive. We are specifically doing this optimizing for each keyword from our different keyword lists. So remember I said that we're going to start buying up Atlanta using SEO. Well, here we go, guys. Our index page is going to be different. This is not going to be our landing page. We're going to come up with a landing page for the Atlanta locals. For now, it's the same as our SEO company. So let's test out some of our routes. As you guys can see, this is responsive. Let's go to our home route. Let's test that out. As you guys can see, same template. Let's go to our SEO company. We expect for this to be the exact same view. All right. All right. Let's go to our moving company route. All right. So moving company. Boom. So this is really exciting. So my cousin and I, the template for this one is a little bit different. We'll work on this a little bit more, but this is like the first iteration. This is the AI version of myself and my cousin. Now you guys will notice it's going to be the exact same one for moving. I am going to change this up a little bit more for a moving company. This one we'll keep for cleaning, but for moving, I'll change this up a little bit. But that's the banner that we have. So cleaning, this is going to be the exact same page. Just want to make sure this works. And then we want to have our moving cleaning. Okay, so far, at least this landing page design works. We have not connected this to a database or anything like that. For now, I'm just really happy to have like the landing page design for the first types of directories that we're going to build. I'm going to finish listening to this Flask blog tutorial that I have watched I don't know how many times. It's like one of my favorites. Corey Schaefer, I need to give him a shout out. Back when I first started developing, I would just like watch. It's a reason why he has over 1 million subscribers. He's one of my favorite. I learned how to create web applications following him. And there's another guy I have to find him, another guy, and then talk tech with Tim or something like that. Those three developers are honestly like those three. I would just watch tutorials from them, watch tutorials from them, watch tutorials for them. And now I'm able to use what I learned as a developer to actually monetize this as an SEO consultant and as passive income. So you guys are free to follow along as we buy Atlanta using SEO. The goal for tonight is to get this into production. We want to go ahead and buy the domain name and at least get this into production and have a lightweight web app of the Atlanta local app. I'm excited. I'm gonna head home. I'm going to finish watching that. I'm just gonna chill, finish watching that tutorial, and I'm legitimately going to just create this app using Flask blog, and then eventually just continue to work on developing this. So for my cousin, Cuzzo, if you want to know, right now we got the I gotta update this one to it being like our moving one, because right now this is just the cleaning one, but this is what it looks like right now, this is the update that I wanted to give you. I gotta work on our website a little bit more. The next thing that is like the thing that's most important to me is like having this work so that this is in production and that people can actually start booking us, and then creating our Google business profile, our Yelp profile, and then creating ads and doing keyword research, doing SEO marketing. So I also have our keywords. I need to like finalize our keywords. So I have some keywords in here as far as like the articles and blogs that we're gonna develop in order to push organic traffic to us, so that we can start getting some bookings. I'm also gonna improve our bookings a bit more, to be able to add in some more information, and to be able to get like a request, or sorry, an estimate. But yeah, Cuzzo, this is what I want to show you. Let me see what time we at. Does it tell me what time I'm at right now, so I can know when to tell you? But yeah, it's just towards the end. All right, that's what we got going on today, guys. The only other thing we want to make sure we get done today is to get the Atlanta Locals app into production. All right, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. I'm about to switch locations, and y'all just wish me luck, man. Like, I'm really excited about this. I'm really excited to take all of my like experience that I've had over the decade of being in corporate, plus like the 3 years of doing this on my own, and just put all of this into this app. Yeah, just follow the journey, guys. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace. All right, ended that meeting, and now I'm about to end our audio. Peace, guys.